A pleasant afternoon, Batang MANDunong, home learning partners, and Math Team Mandaluyong. This is still Project SOAR, a series of online academic reviews of mathematics grade learning modules for Quarter 2, Week 1, brought to you by Highway Hills Integrated School teachers. Our Grade 4 reviewer is a Teacher 3 at Highway Hills Integrated School. She graduated Bachelor in Elementary Education at University of the East Manila. She also studied at pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila National College of Physical Education and Sports and has taken up Certificate in Physical Education and Sports in Masteral in Physical Education and Sports academic requirements. Currently, a grade 4 teacher, an MTOP trainer, and the math coordinator of Highway Hills Integrated School. Batang MANDunong, home learning partners, let us all welcome Mrs. Roselily P. Montesor.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Mrs. Roselily P. Montesor, a teacher of Highway Hills Integrated School, and I will be your advanced teacher for Quarter 2, Week 1, Grade 4 Mathematics. Before we start, allow me to greet the following. To our OIC STS, Dr. Romela S. Cruz, our OIC ASTS, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, CID Chief, Dr. Aline G. Mendoza, SGOD Chief, Ma'am Emma Arubio, our EPS in Mathematics, Math-tuto I. Rodelas, to our Principal, Dr. Efren S. Consumino, home learning partners, teachers and pupils of Mandaluyong, and most especially my pupils in Grade 4 Bonifacio in Highway Hills Integrated School, good morning! Batang MANDunong, welcome to Project SOAR! Mathematics for Quarter 2, Week 1. Learning competencies. Identifies factors of a given number up to 100. Identifies the multiples of given numbers up to 100. Differentiates prime from composite numbers. Now, let's start with the first competency. Identifies factors of a given number up to 100. Now, let's go to our lesson. Factors are numbers multiplied to get a product. Examples. 8. The factors of 8 are 1 times 8, 2 times 4. So 1, 2, 4, and 8 are factors of 8. Next, we have 18. Now, what are the factors of 18? So we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 are factors of 18. So remember, factors of a number exactly divides the number. 1 is a factor of every number. Example, list all the factors of 8. Ano-ano ba yung mga factors ng 8? So we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. Each of these numbers exactly divides 8. Example number 2. List all the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, let's do these activities. This is a set of activities that you need to perform. Okay, now let's practice, children. First, let's read the directions. List all the factors of each number, arranging from least to greatest. Okay, so number 1, we have number 15. Number 2, we have 20. Number 3, we have 39. Number 4, we have 56. And number 5, 68. Let's do the first one, which is 15. Factors. Now, let's list the factors of 15. So, we have 1 times 15, 3 times 5. So, let's write the factors of 15. We have 1, 3, 5, and 15. Very good, children. So, these are the factors of 15. Next, we have 20. So, the factors of 20 are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Okay. Let's list down all the factors of 20. So, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Very good, children. Now we have number 3, 39. The factors of 39 are 1 times 39 and 3 times 13. Now let's list down factors. So 39 we have 1, 3, 13, and 39. Next number, number 4, 56. Now, what are the factors of 56? 1 times 56, 2 times 28, 4 times 14, and 7 times 8. Sulat na natin sila, mga bata. So, we have 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, and 56. Magaling. Marurunong na kayo. Next number, 68. So, the factors of 68 are 1 times 68, 2 times 34, and 4 times 17. Susulat natin ulit ng mga factors na ito, mga bata. So, 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, at 68 ang mga factors ng 68. Palakasin ninyong sarili. Now, let's go to let's do it. Directions. Write T if the factor sentence below is true and F if it is false. Let's answer number 1. 2 is a factor of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, that is true. 2 is a factor of 6. Next, we have number 2. 10 is a factor of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Kaya ang sagot ay false. Dahil ang 10 ay hindi factor ng 12. Next, number 3. 4 is a factor of 24. Tignan nga natin kung factor nga ba ang 4 ng 24. Ito yung mga factors ng 24. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So, T, tama. 4 is a factor of 24. Next, number 4. 3 is a factor of both 6 and 9. Let's look at the factors of 6. So, ang factors ng 6 ay 1, 2, 3, at 6. Samantalang, ang factors ng 9 ay 1, 3, at 9. Kaya ang sagot natin dito ay T or true. Pareho silang factor ng 6 at 9. Next, number 5. 12 has exactly 4 factors. Ilan nga ba ang factors ng 12? Okay, malalaman natin. So, ito yung mga factors ng 12. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Kaya hindi 4 ang factors ng 12, kundi 6. Kaya, yun ay false. Now, letter C, apply your skills. Tingnan nga natin kung natutunan nyo na ang ating leksyon. So, let's read the direction. Complete the table. So, numbers and factors. So, number 1 is 36. Number 2 is 48. Number 3 is 16. Number 4 is 84. And number 5 is 91. Let's answer number 1. So, number 1 is 36. Now, what are the factors of 36? So, we have 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. Now, isusulat na natin ang factors ng 36. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, at 36. Now, punta na tayo sa number 2, which is 40. Number 2, 48. What are the factors of 48? So, we have 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, and 6 times 8. Sulat na natin yung mga factors ng 48 dito sa ating table. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, at 48. Number 3, 60. The factors of 60 are 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, at 6 times 10. Babalik at isusulat natin lahat ng factors ng 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, at 60. Punta tayo sa number 4. So, number 4 is 84. Now, what are the factors of 84? So, we have 1 times 84, 2 times 42, 3 times 28, 4 times 21, 6 times 14, at 7 times 12. So, isusulat na ulit siya sa table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42, and 84. So, yan yung mga factors ng 84 at but not the least, 91. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga factors ng 91? So, ililista natin ulit. So, 1 times 91, 7 times 13. So, yun lamang apat ang factors nito. Ililista na natin. 1, 7, 13, at 91. Ngayon naman ay talakayin natin ang second competencies. Identifies the multiples of given numbers up to 100. Okay, now let's go to our lesson. The products, when we multiply a whole number by all counting numbers starting from 1, are called multiples of whole numbers. Examples. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. The multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and so on. Let's look at these examples. Multiples of 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. And 2 times 8 equals 16. Lahat ng sagot o yung mga number na nasa kulay blue ay mga multiples ng 2. Next, multiples of 3. So, 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. And 3 times 8 equals 24. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang mga nasa kulay blue ay mga sagot sa minultiply natin at ito ay multiples ng 3. Now, let's go to multiples of 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. And 7 times 8 equals 56. Lahat ng bilang na nasa kulay blue ay multiples ng 7. Remember, multiple is the product obtained by multiplying the factors. Example 1. Multiple of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Each of these numbers are obtained by multiplying 4 by the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. Example number 2. Multiples of 5. So what are the multiples of 5? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Now, let's answer these activities. So this is a set of activities that you need to perform. So let's answer, let's practice. Direction. Sort the numbers by putting in the correct fishbowl. 5 points each fishbowl. So on the first fishbowl, we have multiples of 9. And on the second one, we have the multiples of 12. Okay, let's start. 36 is a multiple of 9 and 12 because 9 times 4 equals 36 and 12 times 3 equals 36. Next, we have 84. So 84 is a multiple of 12 because 12 times 7 equals 84. Then we have 12. 12 times 1 equals 12. So 12 is a multiple of 12. Next, we have 45. 45 is a multiple of 9 because 9 times 5 equals 45. Then next, we have 81. It is also a multiple of 9 because when you multiply 9 by 9, the answer is 81. Next, we have 48. 12 times 4 equals 48. So 48 is a multiple of 12. Next, we have 72. 72 is a multiple of both 9 and 12 because 9 times 8 equals 72 and 12 times 6 equals 72. Next, we have 60. 60 is a multiple of 12 because 12 times 5 equals 60. Then we have 18. It is a multiple of 9 because 9 times 2 equals 18. Then we have 24. It is a multiple of 12 because 12 times 2 equals 24. Next, we have 108. 108 is a multiple of 9 because 9 times 12 equals 108. Next, we have 54. This number is a multiple of 9 because 9 times 6 equals 54. And 27 is also a multiple of 9 because when you multiply 9 by 3, the answer is 27. Then we have 90. This is a multiple of 9 because when you multiply 9 by 10, the answer is 90. Then we have 96. 96 is a multiple of 12 because when you multiply 12 by 8, the answer is 96. And lastly, 63. This is a multiple of 9 because 9 times 7 equals 63. Now let's answer letter B. Let's do it. Direction. Write yes if the second number is a multiple of the first number. No if not. Okay, number 1. 3 and 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. So, 6 is a multiple of 3. Kaya ang sagot natin ay yes. Magaling. Magaling ang mga nakasagot ng yes. Number 2, 6 and 68. Ang 68 ba ay multiple ng 8? Hindi. Ang 68 ay hindi multiple ng 8. Number 3, 6 at 61. Ang 61 ba ay multiple ng 6? Hindi rin, dahil 6 times 10 equals 60, hindi 61. Kaya ang answer natin ay no. Mahuhusay. Number 4, 14 at 56. Ang 56 ba ay multiple ng 14? Tignan natin. So, 14 times 4 equals 56. Kaya ang 56 ay multiple ng 14. Kaya ang sagot dapat nyo ay yes. Ang nakasagot ng yes ay mahuhusay. Number 5, 18 at 90. Ang 90 ba ay multiple ng 18? Tignan natin. So, 18 times 5 equals 90. Kaya ang 90 ay multiple ng 18. Kaya ang magiging sagot natin ay yes, intelihente. Bigyan nyo ng palakpak ang iyong mga sarili. Ngayon ay i-apply natin ang inyong skills. Direction. Do as indicated. Number 1. Box the numbers that are multiples of 2. At ito ang mga numbers: 18, 27, 28, 31, at 34. Ano-ano ba ang multiples ng 2? Okay, very good, 18. Because 2 times 9 equals 18. Next, magaling, 28. Ang 2 times 14 ay 28. At ang huli ay 34. 2 times 17 ay 34. Kaya ang sagot natin sa number 1 ay ibabox natin ang 18, 28, at 34. Next, number 2. Check the numbers that are multiples of 6. Ano-ano ba ang mga numbers na ito? So, meron tayong numbers dito sa ating box: 33, 36, 39, 42, at 48. Ano-ano ba ang mga multiples ng 6? Very good, 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. Ano pa? 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. Kaya ang 42 ay multiple ng 6. Sunod ay ang 48. Very good. Ang 48 ay multiple ng 6 because 6 times 8 equals 48. Next, number 3 na tayo. Circle the 4 multiples of 13. What are the numbers in the box? Okay, so meron tayo dito 23, 26, 39, 48, 52, 55, 62, 72, at 78. Ano-ano nga ba ang multiples ng 13 dito? Okay, magaling, 26. Dahil 2 times 13 ay 26. Susunod ay 39. 13 times 3 equals 39. Ang susunod ay 52. Ang 4 times 13 ay 52 at ang panghuli ay 78. 13 times 6 ay 78. Number 4. List the first 5 multiples of 15. Ano-ano daw yung unang-unang 5 multiples ng 15? So, we have 15. Sunod, 30. That is 15 times 2. Next, we have 45. 15 times 3 equals 45. Then, we have 60. 15 times 4. At ang huli ay 75. 15 times 5 equals 75. Kung ang sagot nyo ay 15, 30, 45, 60 at 75, kayo ay tama. Mahuhusay. Kalima. Write the first multiples of 20. Una ay 20. 20 times 1 equals 20. Sunod ay 40 times 20 times 2 equals 40. Sunod ay 3 times 20 is 60. Then 4 times 20 equals 80. At ang huli ay 5 times 20 equals 100. Okay, now let's go to the third and last competency. Differentiate prime from composite numbers. Let's go to our lesson. Okay, so numbers. Then factors. And then how many factors? Okay, 1. What are the factors of 1? The factorial of 1 is only 1. So the number of factor is 1. Next, 2. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. And it has 2 factors. Next, 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So it has 2 factors. And 4, the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. So it has 3 factors. Next, we have 5. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. It has 2 factors. Next, 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, and 3. 6. So it has 4 factors. Then 7. We have 1 and 7. And it has only 2 factors. Notice, numbers with only 2 factors are called prime numbers. We can see that the only factors of a prime number are 1 and the number itself. Example. What are the factors of 3? So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Since 3 has only 2 factors, it is a prime number. Numbers with more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Example. What are the factors of 6? So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Since 6 has more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. We can also see that 1 has 1 factor, so it is neither prime nor composite because it is only divisible by itself. Remember, prime number is a number whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. Composite number is a number Which has more than 2 factors? 1 is a special number, neither prime nor composite. And 2 is the only even prime number. Activities. This is a set of activity that you need to perform. Let's practice. Directions. List the factors of each number and check the box if the number is prime or composite. Number 1, 17. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. And because it has only 2 factors, then 17 is a prime number. Magaling. Number 2, 25. The factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. So if it is more than 2, then the number is a composite number. Mahusay. Number 3, 30. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So this is an example of a composite number. Very good. Next, number 4. 53. The factors of 53 are 1 and 53. So 53 is a prime number. Mahusay. Number 5, 97. The factors of 97 are 1 and 97. So if a number has 2 factors, then it is a prime number. Very good. Now let's answer. Let's do it. Direction. Give 2 prime numbers whose sum is blank. Example, 5 plus 17 equals 22. Okay, let's answer number 1. Blank plus blank equals 15. 2 plus 13 equals 15. If your answer is 2 and 13, then your answer is correct. Magaling. Number 2. Blank plus blank equals 25. 2 plus 23 equals 25. Next, number 3. Blank plus blank equals 33. So 2 plus 31 equals 33. Kung ang sagot nyo ay 2 at 33, kayo ay tama. Magaling. Next, number 4. Blank plus blank equals 49. Anong dalawang prime number ang pag inad mo, ang sagot ay 49? So 2 plus 47 equals 49. Tama ang sagot mo kapag ang sagot ay 2 at 47. Next, number 5. Blank plus blank equals 63. So 2 plus 61 equals 63. Kapag itong dalawang number na to ang sagot mo, ikaw ay tama. So mahusay. Okay, let's apply our skills. Direction. Use colored pencil or crayon or paint up in your tablet. Mark the numbers according to the legend provided below. So this is the legend. Multiples of 2, we're going to use green. Multiples of 3, red. Multiples of 5, blue. And multiples of 7, yellow. So check if it is 2, 3, 5, and 7. It now. So this is your legend. Multiples of 2, green. Multiples of 3, red. Multiples of 5, blue. Multiples of 7, yellow. And prime numbers, check. So let's answer. First, the multiples of 2. So we have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. Now let's go to the multiples of 3. We're going to use red. So I have 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, and 99. Now let's go to the multiples of 5. We're going to use blue. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, now let's go to the multiples of 7. We're going to use yellow. So we have 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, and 98. So let's check the remaining numbers or the unmarked numbers. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Let's answer the questions. Number 1. What are the numbers that are not marked? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Okay, number 2. What numbers are checked? So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Okay, number 3. How many numbers are marked? So there are 74 numbers. Number 4. What do you call the numbers that are not marked? Very good. The numbers that are not marked are called prime numbers. Number 5. What are the prime numbers less than 20? The prime numbers less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Thank you mga bata at mga homemakers sa inyong panonood. Ngunit may iiwan ako sa inyong quotes mula kay Marcus Garvey. Never forget that intelligence rules the world, and ignorance carries the burden. Therefore, remove yourself as far as possible from ignorance, and seek as far as possible to be intelligent. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ng advanced lesson. In behalf of my fellow educators, I would like to extend my utmost gratitude to our supervisor, Mr. Resty Rodelas, for this project, our advanced teachers, especially to you, our home learning partners, for their continued support on this project. Thank you and God bless. Mga batang mandunong na hindi nagpapabaya sa kanilang pag-aaral at sa mga magulang na hindi nagsasawang umalalay at gumabay sa kanilang mga anak. Salamat po at may faith kayo sa aming mga guro na nagsusumikap na mahatiran ang mga mag-aaral ng dekalidad na edukasyon at naway maging masaya ang pag-aaral ng inyong